Welcome back to my Chanel Car Route 360. What you're seeing is the inside of a 2026 Hummer Luxury Motorhome. A bold reimagining of the rugged Hummer identity, now transformed into a rolling mansion. For years, the Hummer brand was synonymous with power, military strength, and off-road dominance. But in 2026 it takes on a new role, combining that unstoppable presence with pure comfort and modern luxury. Step inside, and instead of a stripped-down utility cabin, you're greeted with a space that feels like a high-end penthouse suite. The interior design is sleek and sophisticated, with black cabinetry finished to perfection, lined with polished silver handles, and paired with bright countertops that balance durability with style. The first thing that strikes you is the clever use of space. On one side, you have a complete kitchen setup with a sink, induction cooktop, microwave, and storage space that rivals a city apartment. Across from it, there's a stylish lounge and dining area, fitted with leather seating that not only looks elegant, but is designed for long journeys and comfort. It's not just a vehicle, it's a home that moves. The lighting adds another layer of luxury to the experience. With recessed ceiling lights and under-cabinet illumination, the entire cabin glows warmly, creating a cozy yet modern feel whether you're parked under the stars or cruising down the highway. Large panoramic windows on both sides frame views of nature like moving paintings, turning every road trip into a cinematic experience. Curtains and shades give privacy when you want it, but the openness and natural light make the cabin feel much larger than its actual size. Toward the rear of the vehicle is the master bedroom, one of the standout features of this 2026 Hummer Motorhome. The bed is spacious, designed with premium fabrics and modern geometric patterns that instantly elevate the mood. Around the bed, integrated night lighting and window-side storage give the bedroom both function and flair. Imagine waking up here, opening the curtains, and seeing a forest, a beach, or even mountains right outside your window. That's the essence of this Hummer, taking you places while keeping you in absolute comfort. The year 2026 marks a turning point for this model, because it blends advanced automotive engineering with the lifestyle needs of modern travelers. With smart systems built into the interior, from climate control to multimedia connectivity, everything is at your fingertips. Whether you're a long-distance adventurer or someone who simply wants the ultimate statement vehicle for road trips, this luxury motorhome delivers both presence and practicality. In short, the 2026 Hummer Luxury Motorhome is more than just a vehicle, it's an experience. It represents freedom on wheels, a perfect mix of the Hummer's legendary toughness with the elegance of a luxury home. Wherever the road takes you, this machine makes sure you're traveling in unmatched style and comfort.